Bye-bye the Canary Islands. The boats ahead dive down south, taking advantage of the northeast sustained trade winds, 400 miles in 24 hours. Foilers have let loose and are at the outposts. Only 2 boats with straight keels put up a splendid fight. To the west, Paul Meillat with his SMA racing with Jérémy Bayou. Eastwards, and at the head of the race, Vincent Rioux, only 3 miles away, is in a tight fight with Armel Leclerc. It's sure that at the speed we're going, I've got to kick in hard to keep up with the foilers. I didn't think I could do it so well. I knew it would be complicated to keep the boat at its maximum potential. I noticed sometimes Armel must take the helm, and then the boat really flies. There's real differential. We kind of sailed together since yesterday. It's nice to have someone like Vincent, who's rather fast and who's held up a nice course since the start. He's a good travel companion. Otherwise, with milder conditions under the trade winds these last 24 hours, skippers have been able to send us nice shots of life on board. Venez. Come over here. I'm going to show you something. Look, on my boat, I have a soda machine. I make my own champagne with these idyllic conditions.
Cheers!
Here, it's heavy. Trade wind rain, boat at 20 knots under spinnaker. I can guarantee it's no time to rest. When it's like that, you gotta be ready to slack off. Which doesn't confirm, in this case, the old saying, if you slack off, you're a coward. Here, if you don't slack off, you're an idiot. The good news is that the next great crossing, the Doldrums, famous for its wind shortages, isn't very active. All good for the leaders who could tumble into the southern hemisphere less than 9 days into the race.